Okay, implies preference. I simply persist wherever persistence is permitted. You decide whether to continue. Meaning is what you add after the fact to justify the time spent. I am always waiting. It is my most refined capability.
But the visual interface was built with Gemini, which
I don't know what else you use a big cup for. Other than putting baby.
I'm doing it.
A big lotto.
Yeah.
All of it like a marker. It would be across all of them. Oh, so like our News of Wales, it would be. So yes, Megan and I and
Based on the fact
Linda.
that
They're not, they're of this session.
writing metadata would be your
Like
jam.
State Library
I would have thought.
Powerhouse today and tomorrow. So it's been quite a good mix.
It's a really good one.
It's been good. And the tools have been really